Welcome to Everyday Mechanic, keeping things simple.
Welcome to another episode of Everyday Mechanic in this everyday garage. Just keeping it simple. We know we've got a blown bulb. It's the number plate bulb. As you can see, one works, one don't. Easy to change it. Most of them just pop them out with a screwdriver. This type, you need a Phillips screwdriver. You just got to unscrew the two Phillips screws, pop the light out. Now this bulb should be a 501, which is a capless bulb. Okay, this can be a bit tricky getting them out, but there we go. No, it's not a 501 capless. Here's our bulb. Now if you look at it nice and close, you see it's all dark and misted and it's got corrosion all over it. It's blown. We're going to change it. Back in a sec. So here we are with a new replacement bulb, which is a N239S. Most of them are 501s, but Ford are using these things. Anyway, just going to pop the bulb in. And you shouldn't do this with the power on because you can spike something and blow it. I've done it that many times, it's second nature. And there we go. Pop the screws back in. There you go guys, a simple number plate bulb check and replacement bulb. If you like these videos, leave a comment, subscribe, like. If not, leave a comment anyway, why not? I can improve my videos, and we're just starting out, just getting a feel for things at the moment, so might be a bit rough around the edges, but we will get there at some point and videos become more clear as we go along. And this is why we're starting off with simple stuff, because we are keeping it simple.
If you got anything from these videos, then don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment below.